I may be a bit biased, but I think being a speech therapist is the best job in the world. We can work with babies from the moment they're born, children, people who have problems with speech fluency. We can also work with people who have strokes or neurodegenerative diseases, right up to people who are elderly and need some support, for example, to keep on communicating and to swallow in a safe way. There are just lots of opportunities, and you get to meet and interact with lots of wonderful people. Our Master of Speech and Language Pathology is a 2-year professional degree, so it means that after 2 years you will be able to work clinically as a speech and language therapist. We also offer the option to study it part-time, and then it takes 4 years to complete the program. We have courses in neuroscience, fluency disorders, such as stuttering and cluttering. We have courses in swallowing, speech and language disorders in children, but also in acquired neurogenic communication disorders. We cover voice and hearing problems as well. So the scope of the work that a speech and language therapist does is quite broad, and all of those topics are covered in depth throughout the program. To support the clinical part of the program, we have on-campus speech and hearing clinics. So you will see a lot of clients and get a lot of your clinical experience here at UC. And then we will send you out on various placements as well. So you will go to local schools, you will go to hospital rehabilitation centers here in Christchurch. At the end of the degree, there is a 6-week clinical block placement, which can be in different parts of the country, and some students even go overseas to gain experience in a specific area of interest. All of the staff in the program are very committed to providing you with high-quality teaching experiences. We all have active research programs, and we love sharing all of that information with our students. Because it's a clinical program, our class sizes are really small, so there are lots of opportunities for interaction. It is very engaging, and there's a very strong sense of support throughout the program. There's really strong demand for our graduates here in New Zealand, and some of our graduates also start working overseas. So our national organization, the Speech Therapy Organization, has mutual recognition agreements with countries such as the US, the UK, Canada, and Ireland. The vast majority of the students who graduate from the program will end up working clinically as a speech and language therapist. In New Zealand, a lot of speech therapists work for the Ministry of Education. Other students end up working in hospitals or rehabilitation centers, and some people decide to start their own private practice. If you want to start the program, you need to have an undergraduate or postgraduate degree. We have people from very different backgrounds apply to the program. People have a background in psychology, linguistics, education, but also engineering and biology, for example. People who want to study speech therapy are people who are really passionate about working with people, who really want to help people to improve their communication, to improve their quality of life. People really like this degree because it is really applied, and you have a very, very clear pathway to where it's going to lead you.